use the whole Oreo cookies for this pie, not just the chocolate wafers. Make your life easier by crushing them in a food processor. When your sweet tooth begs for a cool, creamy dessert, stop what you're doing and make this chocolate peanut butter pie. Inspired by a recipe from the Food Network's Ree Drummond, here's a version with a small change that makes a big difference in taste. No question, chocolate and peanut butter are a match made in sweet treat heaven. But sometimes candy just doesn't satisfy your need for a summer-loving dessert that doesn't melt in your purse. Bake the crust for a few minutes, then allow it to cool completely. The secret ingredient that makes our pie special is whipped cream. Instead of opting for fake fluffy stuff like Cool Whip, we use the real deal. It makes a delicious difference. Whip the cream on medium to medium-high speed for a few minutes, then add powdered sugar and vanilla. You can use a whisk, which takes a lot of arm power, a hand mixer, or a stand-up mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Continue to whip just until the cream becomes a billowy cloud of firm peaks that hold their shape after you lift the beater out. Don't over-whip, or you'll end up with butter. Now for the peanut butter filling. Beat the peanut butter, softened cream cheese, and powdered sugar together until smooth. Pour the filling into the chocolate cookie crust and sprinkle with dry roasted peanuts. This chocolate peanut butter pie needs at least 1 hour in the refrigerator to firm up, but it's worth the wait. You'll have neat slices of pie that hold together instead of oozing all over your plate.